faster than a speedy printer, more powerful than a mere PC, able to save our rainforests each and every day. Look, up in the cloud. It's a calendar. It's a text editor. It's Google Girl. Yes, it's Google Girl, strange visitor from another planet who came to Earth with powers and abilities to share with eager and excited teachers. Google Girl, who can share a document with a mere click, digitally assess student progress, and who, disguised as Drew Robinson, mild-mannered tech coach for a great public school district, fights a never-ending battle for efficiency, creativity, and the collaborative way. And now, another exciting episode in the adventures of Google Girl. How you share your documents depends on your audience. There are two questions to ask yourself when it comes to sharing a document. First, who do you want to share the document with? Is it another teacher at your school, a teacher in another district, or maybe 100 teachers need access to your document? The second question is, what will the people you share the document with need to do with it? Will they need to make changes or not? Knowing the answer to these two questions will make sharing a breeze. Let's give it a try. Sign into your Google Drive and open up a new document. I recommend that the first thing you do is name your document. You can always change the name at a later time, but you can't share an untitled document. Next, click the blue Share button. This initial screen allows you to invite specific people to access your document. You can type each person's email here and write a custom invitation message. The sharing rights default to Can Edit, which means that whoever you invite can make changes in the document. You can change this setting to Can View or Can Comment. Remember, in deciding what sharing settings to give, think about the purpose of the document. Is the document a list of directions? In this case, maybe you don't want anyone to be able to make changes. On the other hand, if it's a document where you are asking for people to add text or images, you would definitely want to give editing rights. Can Comment is a great option for when you want someone to provide feedback, but not actually change the document. If you would prefer to share the document with a link, that's possible too. Clicking on Get Shareable Link will provide a link that you can copy and paste anywhere. Be sure and pay attention to what sharing settings you're giving with this link. With our TPS K-12 accounts, the shareable link defaults to anyone at Tulsa Public Schools with the link can view. This means that for someone to view the document, they would need to have a TPS K-12 account as well. If you're not sure if they do, it's better to remove this restriction. Click on the arrow and select More. Now you have a lot more options. As always, stay tuned for more TPS tech tips, and remember, you can always contact your instructional technology coach at insttech@tulsaschools.org. Until next time, in the immortal words of Dr. Seuss, will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98 3/4% guaranteed.